are looking at a very fresh trade-in. It's a 2019 Tiffin Wayfarer. The model number is 24FW. These Tiffins are not sold new in Canada. The only way to get these is if you buy them used and they've already been imported. This one is very, very special. It is a B+ Mercedes-Benz chassis. Diesel, that is. We got a nice diesel generator. I am looking at an armless awning with LED lights. Over here, we got a Truma AquaGo instant hot water. Fully automatic leveling system, front and rear. Full body paint. Frameless windows. Nice fiberglass cap here on the lower bumper. That's a 5,000 pound trailer hitch. However, this is not rated to pull 5,000 pounds. They just like putting a heavy duty hitch on. You probably pull right around 2,500 pounds with this. Guys, look at the slide. This is what makes this super desirable. Even got a slide topper up top, backup camera. Let's take a look at some of the basement compartments. Here's your 30 amp power connection. That is a heated tank. Look at your wet bay, storage over here. You got your propane tank right here. Taking a look at that beautiful Mercedes-Benz nose. I think that is for adaptive cruise control. I'll need to double check that. All right, the outside does look fantastic. Take a look at these chrome steps. Let's walk in. All right, here we go. Walking into the Tiffin Wayfarer. I like it a lot. Take a look at the TV. So this is a B+, not a C. So we do have a Mercedes-Benz chassis in a brand new Thor Delano that is considered a C class because you can, there's a bunk up there, you can sleep up there. This one here you can't, but lots of storage. So we got two theater seats directly in front of that TV. That TV swivels as you wish. Beautiful, beautiful woodwork here. Tiffin is definitely well known for their woodwork, as well as Newmar. Solid surface countertops throughout. Take a look at this. So, all right, you can set up a table here and some chairs. That is a Murphy bed. And over here, we got a TV that's on a manual televator, not a button. So you just take the TV, press down like so, hydraulic, and it'll click into place. Then there's a little button over here, or a lever. You just pull on that and take a look. There we go. Love that TV. Okay, so directly in front of the Murphy bed, you got a beautiful bathroom with a porcelain toilet, and it's raised up a bit too. Love where they put that fan. Up here we have, that's the controls for the diesel generator. Storage, more storage. I was gonna say that's a laundry chute, but no way, that's a panel to get to the electrical. I'm gonna put that down here in a second. Okay, Norcold fridge. It works on propane and electricity. Folks, do keep in mind, we have not had a chance to clean this yet. This does need a little detail here and there. However, previous owner looks like he took very good care of it. All right, down here we got a convection microwave, 2-burner stove, a nice large stainless steel sink with covers. We got roller shades throughout. Is that an upside down pineapple? No. Okay, let's keep going. Full disclosure, folks, this is in beautiful, beautiful condition. Let's take a look at the mileage on it. So just under 36,000 miles. Definitely would be great to have a little wipe down here. And a little additional wear. So to be expected, little additional wear here up on the driver's seat. Otherwise, wow. Oh yeah. Let's get to that next. Okay, well that was easy. Press of one button and then manually comes down. That's a good sized bed. All right, folks. This is a 2019 Tiffin Wayfarer. It is a certified pre-owned unit. We're gonna make sure that everything is working perfectly. Your air conditioning, microwave, all propane, the fridge, of course. And we're going to seal everything up. And yes, we are going to clean everything up too. As well as a New Brunswick safety inspection, a fresh oil change in that motor, and also the generator. So come on down, 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. See you soon. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751. Or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.